tell you a story, now listen. Deep in the night I will come. Listen, my darling, hear me. Swift in your dreams I will come. Worse than a siren, fear me. I am the shadow that haunts you. Can't help the pain when you hear me. My voice is the song that you long. Rip you to shreds with my soft touch, kisses that steal from your soul. Every inch I can caress decays like flesh from your bones. Your breath is my honey, each gasp and moan a lullaby for me to hold. Rest now, sweet angel, your time is gone. Your dream has come to an end. Though the end isn't quite as you thought, I'm sure that I'll see